What if I told you that certain habits can make you irresistible to women? It's not about your looks or your bank account. It's about the subtle signals you send out through your actions and behaviors. You see, attraction isn't random. It's a complex interplay of psychology, biology, and social cues. And by understanding the science behind it, you can become naturally attractive to the kind of women you want to attract. Stay tuned to discover the psychological secrets behind attraction. I'm going to reveal the surprising habits that women find irresistible and how you can cultivate them to transform your dating life. I remember working with this guy, let's call him Mark. Mark was a colleague of mine, and we often found ourselves working late into the night on various projects. He was the kind of person who could light up a room with his humor and intelligence. Everyone loved being around him, and he was incredibly successful in his career. But there was one area where Mark struggled, and that was his love life. Mark was a great guy, smart, funny, successful, but he couldn't figure out why he wasn't finding love. Despite his many qualities, he always seemed to come up short when it came to romantic relationships. He'd go on dates, but they never seemed to go anywhere. It was as if there was an invisible barrier preventing him from connecting on a deeper level. He'd go on dates, but they never seemed to go anywhere. He would tell me about these dates, how they started off well but fizzled out by the end. He couldn't understand what he was doing wrong. He had a great job, a good sense of humor, and he was genuinely interested in getting to know the women he met, but something was missing. The problem wasn't his profile, his job, or even his conversation skills. It was his energy. Mark had a tendency to doubt himself, and that doubt was palpable. It wasn't that he lacked the ability to connect, it was that he lacked the confidence to let his true self shine through. He was always second-guessing himself, wondering if he was saying the right thing or if he was interesting enough. He lacked that magnetic confidence that draws people in. Confidence isn't just about being outgoing or assertive. It's about being comfortable in your own skin. It's about believing in your worth and not being afraid to show it. Mark's lack of confidence was like a shadow that followed him around, dimming his light and making it hard for others to see the amazing person he truly was. So we worked on building his self-belief, not by faking it, but by focusing on his strengths and achievements. We started by identifying the things he was good at and the accomplishments he was proud of. We made a list of his strengths and reviewed it regularly. This wasn't about inflating his ego. It was about helping him see himself in a more positive light. We encouraged him to pursue his passions, to step outside his comfort zone, and to celebrate his wins, big or small. Whether it was picking up a new hobby, taking on a challenging project at work, or simply acknowledging a job well done, every small victory was a step towards building his confidence. The more he engaged in activities that made him feel good about himself, the more his confidence grew. And you know what? It worked. Slowly but surely, Mark began to change. He started to walk a little taller, smile a little more, and engage more confidently in conversations. He was no longer held back by self-doubt. He was starting to believe in himself, and that belief was contagious. People around him began to notice the change, and they responded positively to his newfound confidence. As his confidence grew, so did his dating life. He started attracting women effortlessly because he was no longer held back by self-doubt. He was able to be himself, and that authenticity was incredibly attractive. He went from having dates that fizzled out to having meaningful connections that had the potential to turn into something more. He started attracting women effortlessly because he was no longer held back by self-doubt. His interactions became more genuine, and he was able to connect on a deeper level. He was no longer worried about saying the right thing or making the perfect impression. He was just being himself, and that was enough. He was finally showing up as the best version of himself. The transformation was remarkable. He went from being unsure and hesitant to being confident and self-assured. He was happier, more fulfilled, and his relationships, both romantic and platonic, improved significantly. He was living proof that confidence truly is a catalyst for positive change. And this isn't just anecdotal. The impact of confidence on one's life is well documented. It's not just about dating, it's about every aspect of life. Confidence can improve your career, your social life, and your overall well-being. It's a key ingredient to success and happiness. Studies have shown time and time again that confidence is one of the most attractive traits in a man. Research indicates that confident individuals are perceived as more competent, trustworthy, and likable. This perception can open doors and create opportunities that might otherwise remain closed. It signals to women that you believe in yourself and that belief is contagious. When you believe in yourself, others are more likely to believe in you too. Confidence isn't about being perfect, it's about embracing who you are and being proud of it. And that, my friends, is the true confidence catalyst. I once coached a woman who was head over heels for a man she'd met at a comedy show. She couldn't stop talking about how he made her laugh until her sides hurt. It was as if his humor had cast a spell on her, making her see him in a light that was brighter than any spotlight on stage. Now, this wasn't Brad Pitt we're talking about. He was an average-looking guy, the kind you might pass by on the street without a second glance. But when he took the stage, something magical happened. His wit and charm transformed him into the most attractive man in the room. He wasn't conventionally attractive, but he had this incredible ability to make her laugh. His jokes were like a secret language that only they understood, creating a bond that was both intimate and unbreakable. Every punchline was a thread that wove their hearts closer together. They say laughter is the best medicine, but it's also the secret ingredient to a lasting connection. When you laugh with someone, you're not just sharing a moment of joy. You're building a bridge of understanding and empathy. It's a way of saying, I get you, without uttering a single word. When you share laughter with someone, you're creating a shared experience, a moment of joy that bonds you together. These moments become the glue that holds relationships together, especially during tough times. They remind you of the good times and give you the strength to face challenges together. Think about the couples you know who seem happiest. What do they have in common? More often than not, it's their ability to laugh together. They don't take life too seriously and find joy in their little things. Their laughter is a testament to their resilience and love. Chances are they share a similar sense of humor. This shared sense of humor acts as a foundation for their relationship, allowing them to navigate life's ups and downs with a smile. It's like having a secret weapon that makes everything a little bit easier. They can laugh at each other's jokes, even the silly ones that no one else finds funny. This mutual appreciation for humor creates a safe space where they can be themselves without fear of judgment. It's a beautiful thing to witness. They find humor in everyday situations, turning mundane tasks into moments of joy. Whether they're cooking dinner or doing household chores, their laughter turns these activities into opportunities for connection and fun. And they use laughter to diffuse tension. In the heat of an argument, a well-timed joke can be the perfect way to break the ice and remind each other of their love. It's a powerful tool that can turn conflict into an opportunity for growth. This isn't just a coincidence. There's a reason why humor is such a powerful force in relationships. It creates a positive and supportive environment where both partners feel valued and understood. It's like a secret ingredient that makes everything better. Research has found that couples who laugh together report higher levels of relationship satisfaction. This isn't surprising when you consider how laughter can lighten the mood and make even the most difficult situations more manageable. It's a natural stress reliever that brings people closer together. Humor helps to create a positive and supportive environment where love can thrive. It's the glue that holds relationships together, the spark that keeps the flame alive. So, the next time you find yourself in a tough spot, try to find the humor in the situation. You might be surprised at how much it can help. Chapter 3, The Art of Active Listening. Have you ever noticed how good it feels when someone truly listens to you? Not just nodding along, but really hearing and engaging with what you're saying. That's the power of active listening. In a world obsessed with swiping and superficial connections, active listening is a superpower. It shows that you're present, you care, and you're genuinely interested in what the other person has to say. Active listening isn't just about being quiet while someone else talks. It's about giving your full attention, asking clarifying questions, and reflecting back what you've heard to ensure understanding. Relationship experts agree that active listening is crucial for building emotional intimacy. When you feel heard and understood, you feel safe to open up, be vulnerable, and connect on a deeper level. Chapter 4, The Allure of Ambition. I'll never forget this couple I met at a seminar. They were the epitome of ambition, radiating a kind of energy that was both captivating and inspiring. Their presence alone seemed to light up the room, drawing people towards them like moths to a flame. They were both incredibly successful in their respective fields, and their ambition was palpable. It was clear that they had worked tirelessly to get to where they were, overcoming countless obstacles and challenges along the way. Their journey was a testament to their resilience and determination. It wasn't about money or status. It was about the drive to pursue their passions and make a difference in the world. They were driven by a deeper purpose, a desire to leave a lasting impact and contribute to something greater than themselves. This kind of ambition is rare and incredibly powerful. Ambition, in its purest form, is incredibly attractive. It's a quality that draws people in, making them want to be a part of the journey. It's not just about achieving goals. It's about the relentless pursuit of excellence and the unwavering commitment to personal growth. It speaks to a person's drive, their passion, and their desire to grow and achieve. Ambition is a reflection of one's inner fire, a burning desire to push boundaries and explore new horizons. It's a testament to their willingness to take risks and embrace challenges head-on. It shows that they're not content with mediocrity. They strive for something more. They are constantly seeking ways to improve themselves and their circumstances, never settling for less than what they believe they are capable of achieving. This relentless pursuit of greatness is what sets ambitious individuals apart. Psychological studies have shown that ambition is a highly desirable trait in a partner. It suggests that the person is likely to be successful, resourceful, and capable of providing for themselves and their loved ones. Ambition is often associated with qualities such as determination, perseverance, and resilience, all of which are highly valued in a partner. It suggests that the person is likely to be successful, resourceful, and capable of providing for themselves and their loved ones. Ambitious individuals are often seen as reliable and dependable, someone who can be counted on to overcome challenges and achieve their goals. This sense of security and stability is incredibly attractive, but it's not just about material success. Ambition also encompasses a desire for personal growth and self-improvement. It's about striving to be the best version of oneself and constantly learning and evolving. This kind of ambition is not driven by external rewards, but by an intrinsic motivation to grow and develop. Ambition also indicates a growth mindset, a willingness to learn, evolve, and embrace new challenges. It's about being open to new experiences and opportunities, and having the courage to step out of one's comfort zone. This kind of mindset is essential for personal and professional growth, and that kind of energy is contagious and inspiring. When you're around ambitious individuals, you can't help but feel motivated and driven to pursue your own goals. Their passion and determination can ignite a spark within you, encouraging you to push your own boundaries and strive for greatness. Ambition is not just a personal trait. It's a powerful force that can inspire and uplift those around you. Chapter 5. The Magnetism of Kindness. I was once touched by a story of a man who went out of his way to help a stranger in need. He didn't know this woman, but he saw she was struggling and offered his assistance without hesitation. His act of kindness wasn't a grand gesture, but it spoke volumes about his character. It showed that he was compassionate, empathetic, and willing to put others before himself. Kindness is often overlooked in the dating world, but it's a fundamental pillar of lasting attraction. It's about treating others with respect, empathy, and compassion, even when it's not convenient. Research has shown that kindness is a key factor in long-term relationship satisfaction. It creates a positive and nurturing environment where both partners feel valued, appreciated, and supported. Unlock your irresistible self. Remember, these habits can make a huge difference in your love life. By cultivating confidence, humor, active listening skills, ambition, and kindness, you'll become naturally attractive to the kind of woman you want to attract. It's not about changing who you are, but about becoming the best version of yourself. Embrace these habits, let them shine through, and watch as your love life transforms. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on relationships and attraction. And remember, you deserve to find love, so go out there and make it happen.